Hi guys, welcome back to Lauren the Amazing. I'm Lauren. Welcome back. And today we are going to be making cars from the magical Kiwi box. I can't wait to open it.
So what is this?
A Kiwi box. My friend got me it for my birthday.
Okay, so this will be fun. This is what it looks like. You did one of these with your friend Lulu. And did y'all do, oh no, she had it up at her house already and you tried it out. The one
Yeah,
where you
I
had
love that.
Yes. So this will be your first time opening the box.
magical.
Have you opened it?
No.
Okay.
The magical. She forgot the magical.
The magical.
Kiwi box. You need.
Oh my God, I'm never going to remember all these names. This is her first time opening the magical Kiwi box.
It's
Ta-da!
magical, and you need a magic word to get in. Okay, I'm going to open it now.
Okay, open
I
it.
can't wait.
Oh, you're excited.
Okay,
Just do it.
What should the magic word be?
Ta-da, abracadabra.
Abracadabra to da-da-da. Da!
No, so open now.
Okay. Oh, I don't know what it looks like yet.
Wait a minute. I think you need to see what it looks like.
It's instructions.
We're going to be making race cars. Okay. So there are balloons in. Oh, this is gonna be pretty cool. So as you can see, there's this book, and it has race day, and it sort of tells you everything that comes inside. Now I feel like we're making a little ad for Kiwi. Anyway, it has everything inside that we will need for the box, or that comes in the box, so that we can you all see that? Build your cars. And then what Lauren and I are going to do when we finish building the cars, we will go outside and race them. Sort of like these kids, but it'll be her and I to see how it turns out. Okay.
Step 1, decorating with airbrush art.
Airbrush art. We kind of failed at airbrush art.
Okay, kind of.
But we kind of did okay. Can I show them your airbrush art? So Lauren was able to get a little bit of the airbrush to work, and she was like, okay, I'll just do my own thing.
Step 2, build your cars.
Last step.
So, we had to put these little tiny things you can barely see probably, these black hole things, and what we had to do is just put them on. You would definitely need a partner, unless you're confident in yourself, but it might be hard. So I have my mom with me.
Yep.
Do
you see which way? Put yours the same way as mine.
We're just gonna slide it in.
You got it.
And turn
On
it
the
the other
back
way.
there.
You want to see what it looks like on the back?
I'll show them how you can put it in. Hold the top. Hold it.
I'm holding it. So, this is what it looks like. And this is what this size looks like. So, we're just gonna... Oh, this is falling.
Okay. Come on.
Mommy, I need help.
Lauren.
It's falling out.
So we
got it.
No, put your... Yep.
The thing on top. That wasn't actually hard.
You said it wasn't?
Yeah, these aren't really stretchy. Look how unstretchy they are.
How unstretchy?
Yeah, how stretchy. So this is what the wheels look like. They're gray on one side and white on one side. You see. And then the small ones look small. Look at the difference. So if you see them both, they actually look different. Yep, that's different. Unless someone had big eyes like, hi, I'm Bobby. I love Bobs. I can barely see. Mommy has one.
Between the bigger straw and the small
So now we're choosing which straw we want, the big or small.
I don't want that. We're not doing that stuff. Want to tell them what we just did?
So we just tied it up. My mom had to help me a little bit.
It's okay, but it said keep an adult handy, so we tied it.
And
now
now
what do we do?
we're going to do 3, 2, 1, go.
3,
2, 1.
So this is how you power the car to move.
Whoa. Okay, don't pop it.
Tied up.
Yep, so you see you add the dowel in between here.
We're about to finish the car. Finally!
Yours actually might be a little better.
You want it like this or like that?
But it still works because it can't
what I
go
was thinking.
over, or how is it going to
Yep.
come off?
Okay. People, we are...
Almost finished.
Step 3. Race your cars. We are outside in this beautiful air, and we are going to do the race. So we got this washi tape that we put a finish line over there.
I want you to see the finish line.
And the cars, if you probably saw them over there.
Okay,
And then
this
the
is
different
my car.
materials.
Mom.
The different materials.
And then this. We have...
And the different materials to test it out.
Okay.
And we got this notepad to say, like, how does this work? Or, you see, it says big wheels, distance, small wheels, distance. And then I'm going to try both, because that's what my cars are like.
Yep. All right. We're going to set the race up, and we're going to see how it turns
Oh.
out. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
No!
Okay. So what y'all couldn't see maybe is my car made it way over here. Her car is over there.
Rematch!
And she wants a rematch. So one thing that we noticed, I think I had more air in mine, honestly.
Yeah, she had more air.
Ready? All right.
3, 2, 1. No, mine went farther
You
though.
gotta make sure.
Mine
No,
went
it's not. Look at this. Is up here. That's right there. Put it
3,
in the middle, Lauren.
2, 1.
Oh, yours would have went. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Show you all how this works. So as you can see here, the car is there. Lauren blew up the balloon, and then when she lets it go, it takes off.
It crashes. Now we're gonna race my car since I was the winner. And I'm just gonna do the balloon and see with the smaller straw. And we just did the big straw, and it was easier to blow. Look how fast I blew this one up. Ew, it has spit in it.
Only you've been blowing it.
So,
Hurry up.
I got it. Now, 3, 2, 1.
Wait a minute. Come here, Lauren. What did you observe with the small straw?
It goes slower, but faster.
That is so true. The whole time we were like, we don't want a small straw.
It works. It works better. Mommy, I want to have a race against big versus small.
Okay,
I'm
we'll have
team
one
small.
last race.
Tell me who you vote for. Tell me in my Instagram at LaurenTheAmazing_. And tell me there. Tell me if you vote for the little tiny beautiful one. And tell me if you won't vote for the Afro Howard University one. But I'm still Howard University. Future.
That is very
Yes,
true.
future.
That's right. Okay, so let's get this race going.
Last race of the video.
Okay.
Who do you think will win?
3,
The big straw or the skinny
2,
straw?
1.
Mine. Oh, yours would have went. Yeah.
So, I hope you like this video. I want to give a big thank you to Lulu. She gave me this kit. Thank you. I'm just like, thank you. So, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. So,